Alright, this is the box of 2013 Teamcoach. Should be getting some pretty good inserts in there. Just some information about some of the games. And you get the old album, which I've got here. Alright, so let's 36 packs. I'd love to get a wild card or one of those ones. I think they look awesome. I'll just leave them there. Let's go for it. The silver of Stuart Cramery. Gold of Matthew Leuenberger. There's Juddy. The rest are just bases. Base. Michael Johnson, silver. And there's a sticker of Buddy Franklin. I've actually got that one. Got that one yesterday. Leave that there. The rest are all bases. Ahmed Saad. What a gun. Trent West. Gold. So 198 commons, obviously 198 silver codes and 198 golds. Silver, black, Simon Black. Gold checklist of Collingwood. There's some more bases. Then you can get 18 checklists, 18 star stickers, 18 3D best and fairest. Will Minson silver, Jason Porplesia gold, rest of all base. 18 sculptured star wildcards, 18 globe magic wildcards. So silver is one in every pack. Then it says unless a wildcard. There's a silver. And there's a footy pointers of Rory Sloane from Adelaide. Great looking cards. Love them. Knick-knack. So gold is one in every 2 packs. The star sticker or best and fairest or footy pointer is 1 in 3 packs. Juddy silver. Dane Swan gold. It's a nice pack. The rest are all bases. So then the Star Magic Wildcard, 1 in 36. Oh, so I should get 1 in here, hopefully. Hopefully I don't get jibbed. Eh? Brandon Matera. There's a 3D of Kane Corns. That's the best and fairest 3D. Rest are all bases. I'm going to upload them, all the pictures of the best ones, on my Facebook page. And those I don't want, I'll probably just end up selling them. So make sure you check the links. Lee Adams silver, Ahmed Saad gold, I'd love to get one of those gold embossed wildcards. I think they look mad. It's Tom Scully, already got him. Chris Yaron with a chip on it. Brent Harvey. Jack Trengo's sticker. So they were 1 in 3, I think they were. Only graphs to get 2 wild cards in the box. Huh. Alright, so silver Shannon Hearn, the checklist of the Bulldogs. The rest are all bases. Try to collect the 2006, the complete set, had 3 folders. Had them in common, silver and in gold, could never make it. Silver, Mitch Wallace, got him already. Stephen Motlock, gold. It's just too damn hard to make a set. If you buy in packs, it's too hard. When you get doubles, it costs you too much money. Luke Hodge, silver. Jonathan Brown, sticker. Rory Sloane, silver. I think I got his gold, didn't I? No, the best and fairest. Robin Nahas, gold. Make sure you check out my Facebook page. I put all my memorabilia on there. Upload some of yours. Get cracking. Get talking. Ryan Griffin, Jared Blair. I think it's nice to just have, you know, like a bit of a community going. So you can have a bit of a chat. You don't find too many card shops around anymore, so it was fun back in the day when you could go down and just talk to people about the hobby, you know. Dyson Heppel, silver. Jack Zeeble, 3D. They're gruff. I love their ideas, Teamcoach. I reckon they're doing a great job, mate. Just fun to collect. You know, you can go down to the milk bar, you can buy a pack. Not like the old basketball cards, it's too hard to get. Andrew Gaff, silver. Kieran Jack. I love the golds, how they've always got the team that wins a premiership, they've got them from the actual day. So on their jersey it's got the grand final on it, they've got their medallion on. I love the grand final ones. The premiership teams, they're the best. Travis Cloak, he's a gun. Checklist. Adelaide Crows, there's 3 checklists I've got. Come on, where's me wild? Joe Patfull, silver. Sam Mitchell, gold. Mitch Robinson, base. Lenny Hayes, silver. Dane Beams, 3D. They look like the Tarzos that used to get in the chips. It'd be nice if they brought them back out again. They were good fun. Shane Edwards, silver. Brett Delidio, sticker. That was a nice Richmond pack, eh? Hopefully they can do some damage this year. Finish high in the 8. I'll make the 8 for sure. Daniel Wells, silver. Tom Hawkins, gold. Stephen Cornelio. Jason Porplegia, silver. There's another team gold. Hawthorn. Mark Jamar, silver. Patrick Ryder, footy pointers. That's great. They're great. This one feels a bit heavier. Oh, it's a pointers or something. Silver, it's Aaron Sandilands and Kieran Jack, footy pointers. It's back-to-back packs. Nice. So I should be realistically getting what, 12 footy pointers? Nah. Sam Mitchell, silver. Got his goal before too. Scott Thompson, Gold there. I might just pause it there, just so I can read. Back again. Back in action. Have to pause it because the camera only allows for about 12 minutes of record time at once. So, Jeremy Howe, what a gun. Mark of the year. There it is. Jeremy Cameron from the Giants. There you go. Which one is that? I'm not actually sure which one that is. That's just a wild card, star wild card, or maybe it's a glow in the dark one. Nice. That's nice. Leave that one here somewhere. Lee Montagna gold. Rest of bases. David Armitage in silver and a gold Essendon. Stephen Cornelia silver. Nice. Jared McVeigh premiership from the Swans. Ahmed Saad gun. Tom Rockcliffe silver. Jeremy Howe gold. Yeah. What a freak Jeremy Howe is. Freak. David Zaharakis silver. And Scott Selwood 3D. That's nice. So that's 3 of those. 3. And I've got 4 of the pointers. So that's 7. So I should get 2 more. Isn't that right? Should be. Matthew Cruiser silver. St Kilda gold. 3 packs to go. Come on, give us another star wildcard. As an error. Error card. Brett Ebert silver. Luke Bruce. And the Hawks gold. They should make hot packs where you get nothing but insert cards in them. Like the old Fleer. There's a silver. Corey Enright. Beauty. Andrew Swallow. 3D. Beautiful. Last pack. Come on. Jimmy Bartel silver. And Matthew Broadbent gold. Alright, so recap. I got a Jeremy Cameron wildcard. I think that's a glow in the dark one. Pretty sure. GWS. Probably the worst one to get in the set. Then I got 4 stickers. Brett Delidio. Jonathan Brown. Jack Trengove. Lance Franklin, which is a double. Already got that one. Footy pointers. So we've got Kieran Jack, Patrick Ryder, tap, Jack Zeeble, Rory Sloane picking up the ball. Boom. That's great. Some 3D best and fairest of Andrew Swallow, Scott Selwood, Dean Beams with the ball up there, looks sick. These look better in person than what you can see in the video. That still looks pretty good though. And then a Kane Corns, it's got 4 of those. These are the golds. Matthew Broadbent, Luke Bruce, checklist of the Saints, Jeremy Howe, Jared McVeigh, Essendon checklist, Lee Montagna, Scott Thompson, checklist for the Hawks, Tom Hawkins, Sam Mitchell, Adelaide checklist, Kieran Jack, Jared Blair, Robin Nahas, Stephen Motlop, checklist, the Bulldogs. The gold is a little bit more shiny with the teams compared to the normal ones. You can have a look there. See? Chris Yaron, Ahmed Saad, Dane Swan, Jason Porplesia, Essendon, Collingwood checklist, Trent West, Matthew Lawnberger. They're the golds. And all of the silvers. Jimmy Bartel, Corey Enright, Brad Ebert, Matthew Cruiser, Zach Zacharakis, David Zacharakis, Tom Rockcliffe, Stephen Cornelio, David Armitage, Sam Mitchell, Aaron Sandilands, Mark Jamar, Jason Porplesia, Daniel Wells, Shane Edwards, Lenny Hayes, Joel Patfull, Travis Cloak, Andrew Gaff, Dyson Heppel, Ryan Griffin, Rory Sloan, Luke Hodge, Mitch Wallace, Shannon Hearn, Brent Harvey, Tom Scully, Lee Adams, Brendan Matera, Chris Judd, Daniel Talia, Will Minson, Simon Black, Ahmed Saad, Michael Johnson, Stuart Cramery. So that was my box of Teamcoach 2013. I really enjoyed opening those. I think the cards look fantastic. So some of them I might actually sell. If there's any you're interested in, just let me know. I'll see what I can do, but I'm probably going to put some on my eBay account, so you could probably have a look there. And I'll put a link on so you can have a bit of a gander. Make sure to leave a comment on my Facebook page, and keep in touch, eh?